Welcome to the Monday Make, a series of STEAM do-it-yourself videos brought to you by Mach 1 at Phoenix Public Library. I'm Crystal, a library assistant with Youth Services. Today we're going to make a projector. Are you ready to make something? The supplies you will need are a Dixie cup. Have an adult cut out the bottom for you. Clear plastic, saran wrap, or plastic bags will work. Sharpies, ask when and where you can use them. String, tape, or rubber bands to secure the plastic. Scissors, a light source like a flashlight or a phone. Make sure you have adult supervision for this activity. Trace the large end of the cup onto the plastic so that you know how much space you have to draw. Next, draw your image. I'm going to make a snowflake. If you need to, cut your image out of the plastic, leaving a 1/2 inch to 1 inch around your image. Next, secure your image to the large end of your cup using a rubber band, string, or tape. Turn off the light and then line up your light source so that it touches the projector. You can make the projection larger or smaller depending on how far you are from the wall. This project works because the plastic is transparent, allowing light to pass through, while the image is translucent, allowing only some of the light to pass through. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun making a projector with us. Don't miss our next video. Subscribe to Phoenix Public Library's YouTube channel. We want to see your finished products. Ask your grown-up to take a photo and post it to Instagram using the hashtag #TheMondayMake and hashtag Mach1PPL. This STEAM DIY video has been brought to you by Mach 1 at Phoenix Public Library. We're a space for makers, artists, crafters, and hackers. What will you make next?